You've seen the ads STDEI GLP-1 drops that promise weight loss with no needles or prescriptions. Just a few drops a week. Sounds too easy, right? Let's find out if it's a real deal or just another trend chasing supplement. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. STDEI promotes itself as an oral GLP-1 activator, claiming to mimic drugs like Ozempic to suppress appetite and burn fat. But it's not FDA approved, and the main ingredient, mecglutide, is not the same as semaglutide, used in legit GLP-1 medications. NBC News warns that GLP-1 supplements are equivalent to real prescriptions and often lack solid scientific backing. The FDA has issued alerts about unapproved and potentially unsafe GLP-1 products being sold online. On Reddit, especially in science and medical forums, users and doctors are skeptical, pointing out that legit GLP-1 meds require prescriptions for a reason. SCDAI drops don't appear to be legit. With no clinical evidence, no FDA approval, and questionable ingredients, it's a risky choice for weight loss. If you're serious about results, consult your doctor and stick to safe, proven options, not mystery drops from the internet. Tried SCDEI or considering it? Drop your experience in the comments. For more straight up reviews on viral health trends, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.